Well, this is the news that we're getting from Pooch sector, that fresh firing has been reported. Gun battle is on between terrorists and security forces. Firing has started from the terrorist side as well. This is the second attack in the past 24 hours. And Ashwini joining us with more details. Yes, Ashwini.
There is a continuous firing from the militant side inside the mini Pooch secretariat, and as well as the security forces and the army, they have gone inside the search operation because yesterday evening they have killed 2 terrorists from the Lashkar-e-Taiba, and now they just gone inside, and there was a firing from the terrorist side on the security forces, and there is a continuous firing between the army and commandos of the J&K police on the terrorists. And how many terrorists are inside the building, nobody knows it, but there is a heavy firing. So it can be more than 2 terrorists inside the building.
Okay. So Ashwini, yesterday we'd seen twin assaults in Pooch. Is it around the same area, around the Allapir area, where there was a private building in which terrorists were hiding, and the other one which they were opposite to the district police chief office?
Yeah, yesterday there was a one group, and how many terrorists are inside. But yesterday they have gone into the 2 groups. One group has gone to the private house of the Zir Hussain, and the terrorist was neutralized here. Then the commandos have entered the mini secretariat of the Pooch, and they killed 2 terrorists inside the building. But they abandoned the program because of their light was very less, and they started operation just now in the morning. And when they gone inside the building to search some more bodies or the terrorists, and there was a fire on the security forces and the army and the commandos. They are still firing with the terrorists, and I think they have to blast that portion of the building since there is a firing, and they are just planning to have a more operation, and the para commandos have been used to try the terrorists inside the building. And this is a fresh infiltration with, and this is the longest encounter for the last 24 hours, and yesterday it started around 7:40 early in the morning, and it is still continuing. And it will take time to neutralize them. Yeah.
All right, Ashwini, thanks for joining us. Keep coming back to you with more information coming in.